guys?
I put a tracking device on Catwoman's vehicle.
Then let's try to find where the tracking device is.
I think I pinpointed their location.
Oh gosh, there's 7 of them, Batman.
We're back. Did you have any trouble with Batman and Robin?
Yeah, we did, but then I clobbered them. It's called the Hall of Justice.
It's a great idea, Robin.
Hello, who's this?
This is Batman, Superman, Wonder Woman, Aquaman, Flash. We need your help. We'll be there in 5 minutes.
Everyone, gather around. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Batman just called and he told us he needs our help. Well, what are we gonna do? I don't know. We'll have to discuss it when they get here.
We've got to get that crown back. We know where their hideout is. We just need your help.
We'll help you.
Time to go to jail, Catwoman. No, I don't think so. Come here, you thing. Ching, ching, ching. Meow. Let's get him.
Bring it on.
Flash, go back 85 years to Japan and find Orokosaki, legendary black ninja.
Your time's up, clay monster thing.
Orokosaki.
Huh? Oh, sure, son.
Orokosaki. I wait long time for this.
Well, then it ends.
It ends today. You fight well, Orokosaki.
It ends today.
There, where's the crown? There it is. No, I've got it. I've got the crown.
Good job. Yeah, good job. Yeah. 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 Yeah, you did. And at least we got help from Orokosaki.
It's time to return it to its rightful place.
Hey guys, I hope you like our videos. And just if you want to watch them, then just go to our YouTube channel And if you saw the king crown in our videos, make sure you tell us in the comments below.
Hey guys, if you like that video, don't forget, like Chapman said, hit that subscribe button and that like button. Be ready, next one, Mr. Freeze is the villain. Thanks, bye.